Hi everyone. So I wanted to talk about the error that I'm getting when I run the password cracking tool, John the Ripper. And I know many of you may have also struggled with the same problem. So I'm going to show how the error occurs, and I'm also going to explain how we can solve that error in Kali Linux. All right. So we all know that the password file is in the shadow, right? Let me first go see that, right? Um, so if I go there, I need the sudo, right? So I just want to display all the hash. So, let's see, did I do sudo message file? Oh, because I did the spelling error there, right? It's etc. And when I do and see, this is the hash file, okay? And you can see all the hashes here, and these are all the hashes for the users, right? And so this is Kali, and then this over here, it means what hashing algorithm is being used, and the letter Y, it means that it uses yes script hashing, okay? And now, so we know that what hashing is being used, okay? So let me see, I have John, right? John the Ripper, which is a password cracking tool. So I have that. And now let me just try to run uh, John the Ripper. Mm, Okay. Normally, if I run it like that, right? And then I get this error. Okay, using default input encoding and no password hash is loaded. Okay. And I know many of you may already have got that error, right? So to solve this error, we actually have to explicitly tell John the Ripper what kind of hashing has been used. Okay. So to do that, we are going to say, okay, the same command, sudo John, and go to this, go grab this hash file over here. Okay. And now we have to specifically tell the format of the hashing. Okay. And we have to provide crypt. Okay, and you can see that right now it works. Okay, it doesn't give you that error anymore. Okay, and it has discovered some passwords. Okay, and now since I already run the tool, the passwords that it cracked earlier, it did not show me here, but I can do John, and then I can tell it to show all the passwords, right, in this shadow file. So I think again I have to do sudo, and then yeah, slash VPC, and you can see all these are the passwords that were earlier cracked. So now it just showed me this one because I created this new user, okay, and then you can see that, okay, these are all the users in my system, and it has already cracked the password. Okay, and let me show you another thing. Right now, if I try to run the same command again, right, yeah, that one, right, and when I try to do that, it gives me this kind of warning message or error message, right? It does not want to run again, and that's because it has there is no new user added, and for the old users, right, whoever is the user in my system, for them it has already calculated the hashes, so it does not want to redo that again. Okay, so that's why you get this error. Okay, if you want your John to run or yeah, to run through your hashes again, that hash file has to change. Okay, if there is no new change in that hash file, it's not going to run again, and you are going to get this error. Okay, so let me show you now. I'm going to add a new user. Okay, so sudo add user, and let me say this time I'm going to create a user called Rick. Okay, and then it asks me for password. You give the password what you want, okay, and all this information I'm skipping, but if you want to put this information, you can put, okay, and then yes, okay. So now I have a new user in my system, right? Now I'm going to, so that means that for this new user, the user's password is hash and is in the shadow file, right? So that means that your shadow file has changed. Okay. So now let me run John again. Okay. And now you see it's happy to run again because there's a change in that hash file, and then it has cracked the password for Rick, the new user I just created. Okay. And to see all the passwords that has been cracked, then you have to again do sudo, right? Sudo, and then you have to do show. Okay, and then your file, and then since it's a shadow file, I have to again be sudo. Okay, and it'll, oh, I didn't use the John, right? So it has to be John. Okay, what did I do? Okay, again the spelling error. Okay, and you see it shows me all the passwords that has been cracked. I hope this video was helpful, and as I spent a lot of time figuring out why it was not working. I hope watching this video saves a lot of time for you. See you. Bye.